Hello guys, this week on this channel we're exploring the code of Laravel Pulse, the new open source project by Laravel team, and today I want to discuss and showcase this interesting solution that, while true, looks like an eternal loop, right? So in what cases it is useful and how does it work? This check command is an Artisan Command Pulse check, which is mentioned in the docs to be run on all application servers for some of the cards to poll the information regularly. So if you want your Pulse dashboard to update constantly with new data, you need to have Pulse check on your server or multiple servers, similarly how you would do queue work with supervisor, which is also mentioned here. And now what if you want to build something like that in your project, some eternally running Artisan command? This is the logic. We will run that command until some condition which would end the loop. So this is the method handle. For example, if we have return here, it would return the full method and would end the loop. So step by step. While true, let's kind of debug step by step in our mind. We see what time it is now. If it's not yet before we had last snapshot, which means last check, then we sleep for 500 milliseconds. And this is, by the way, a better syntax. I really like it. Instead of doing sleep 0.5, which is then not clear. 0.5 is in minutes or seconds or whatever. This is totally clear with sleep helper of Laravel, 500 milliseconds. So we sleep for half a second and then continue. Then we check. If I understand correctly, if restart is in progress, then we end the loop and successfully end that command. Otherwise, we take the last snapshot, which is this variable later in the next loop iteration. We dispatch the event called shared beat, which is probably listened by any listeners from internal Laravel Pulse cards or whoever would build custom cards on top of Laravel Pulse. And then in some condition with caching and interval, we may also dispatch another event called isolated beat. So basically we dispatch two events, one or two events. We store that pulse as an event and then we go here again. And again, we sleep for half a second and try again and dispatch the event for listeners who want to listen to that until restart happens and then the command is terminated. So yeah, this is an example how you would implement a logic of eternally running, regularly running Artisan command on your server, similar to queue work, or in this case, Pulse check. What do you think about this example? Have you implemented something like that in your projects? Share your experience in the comments below. That's it for this time and see you guys in other videos.